All right, I'm just grabbing my trusty Fempreneurs water bottle here to prop my phone up against to talk to you and congratulate you. Oh my gosh, you did it. You did a complete week, 7 days of social media posting. Today is day 8, so high five, you're awesome, you're killing it. And I just finished a workout, so I'm all sweaty and gross, and it's just reminding me of the correlation between posting on social media every day, because it can be a little bit painful or difficult to psych yourself up to do it, kind of like working out, but oh my gosh, do you feel good when it's done? And you've checked that box and you've got something out there. And I hope you're enjoying not having to think about what to post. I hope you're using these videos and you're allowing me to guide you through posts that have been super effective for me in growing my business. So today you're gonna go back to day 1. You wrote a list in your notebook. So grab your notebook, flip back to that list of frequently asked questions. You're gonna post another one of those today, and it's gonna be quick and easy. You can use the hyperlapse or time-lapse style of video with some text across it. You can actually talk to your audience and say, hey, another question that I get often is, or a question that I get often is, don't always assume, I guess, people watch the other video. And yeah, you're just gonna share that other frequently asked question with them, and of course, share the answer. Now, you don't have to share the whole answer. You don't need to give away all the things. You can share with them a little bit of the answer, or the first part of the answer, or one of the many options or ways to solve the problem that the frequently asked question is about. And then you can say, and this is what I do, this is how I help, this is the product I have, this is the coaching I have, this is the event that I'm having coming up. Tie it into what you offer. All right, we'll see you back here tomorrow.